Hey guys, it's Kate with chess.com, and I'm here today to show you how to challenge somebody with a specific rating range. Okay, so what you're going to do first is click on that orange button at the bottom. Next, you're going to create your challenge. So, create your challenge. Make sure that you specify whether you want it to be a live chess game or a daily chess game using the time controls. Next, you're going to go to rating range. So today I want to challenge somebody who is 100 points below me and 50 points above me. Next, you're going to just press the orange play button. Now we're looking for an opponent. It might take a while. Oh, there we go. Now I'm playing my game. Alrighty, so that's how to make your challenges with rating ranges on the Android app. Have a great day.